Hey everyone, how's it going? So I am here with the Tesla Model 3 in the front. I will be talking about not these lights here, which is from Hansshows, but these mirror caps from Hansshows. These are real carbon fiber caps from Hansshows that are inspired by BMW M3. Now you can get it without the styling here where the contour is at, and you have this extra wing that sticks out. It just looks pretty cool, pretty neat, and it gives you more of that sporty look to your Model 3 or Model Y. Again, this is real carbon fiber, gloss finish. They do sell it in matte. There's some carbon fiber piece that they're starting to sell, like the dash, in a matte dry finish. So you have that texture finish, which is pretty neat. Hopefully they'll bring it to these carbon fiber pieces as well in the near future. But for now, you have gloss and matte finish. I do like the gloss better because it gives you that three-dimensional look when the sun hits it or when you have some light hitting it. And you can tell that it's real carbon fiber by first glance. You don't want to put fake carbon fiber on your Tesla vehicle. I've seen a lot of Tesla vehicle claim that, oh, I just installed this carbon fiber piece, especially the front lip. All those are fake, and there are only a fraction of seller that actually sells real carbon fiber front lip. Same thing with these mirror caps. There's a lot of fake ones out there, so just be careful when you're purchasing. You can tell it's real by how thin it is and how sturdy it is. It doesn't feel heavy. It's very lightweight, featherweight. I just put these 3M adhesive on here. Hansshows comes without the adhesive, but they do provide you with the 3M adhesive. So they didn't cheap out on this. And this is just to ensure that you got a new carbon fiber mirror cap. Most mirror caps that do come with the adhesive, but you want to be careful. Just take a close look to make sure it's not used or hasn't been used and reused and resold and so forth. Okay, you can tell by seeing if there's any removal of the clear coat on the backing of your mirror cap. So just take a look at this one. It's just brand new. Okay, so we'll go ahead and apply some of these 3M adhesive onto the backing of it. I'll show you where I will be placing them. You don't need to use all of these, but you can at least apply it sparingly just to make sure it adhere. I like to do 3 strips in the middle. So starting in the middle here, just strip straight down. So this allows any dirt, debris just to come right out if it needs to. Especially when you're washing your car and if it gets behind the mirror caps, you want to be able to let the water come out. So I like to put 3 strips in the middle like that. That's a little long. So you just move it a little up higher. It's still a little long, so this piece is slightly longer. Let me angle it this way. There you go. So again, they provide you with 3M adhesive tape, and they didn't cheap out on this, which is great. This will hold together fairly strongly. And you can apply this over PPF. You don't have to take off your PPF. It just gives you that extra barrier against any rock chips that you may potentially run into if you don't have PPF. And also, if somebody clipped your mirror caps, you don't have to worry about damages. Okay, this side, I believe I had it 2-piece in there. So I'm going to do the same. Okay. Maybe one more on this edge here and I should be done. Okay, so this overlap a little bit, so you just want to peel this one up and let it sit over. That's it. So let's go ahead and get this installed. Okay, first what you want to do is spray your mirror caps down with some isopropanol. So this is 70% alcohol isopropanol, and just wipe it down. And this will guarantee strong bonding. It just gets off all the grease, all the grime, and make sure that you clean the front as well, these edges here, because the real carbon fiber piece does cover up those front trim of your mirror cap. Unlike the fake carbon fiber, you will still see those white trim. And just test it out first by putting the mirror cap on without the adhesive being pulled off yet. So this will help you figure out how it will look. So you see what I mean? It does cover up the front white trim of the cap. If you get the fake one, you're gonna see the white trim there on the edge. So make sure you get real carbon fiber mirror caps for your Tesla vehicle if you're interested in this. So the fit looks good. That M3 contour, I think it looks pretty neat, very unique compared to the one that doesn't have it. So that has the OEM look. Let me know what you guys think, or you gals think. Would you prefer the M3 inspired mirror caps or the regular mirror caps just covering up the Tesla Model Y there? Let me go ahead and get that mirror unfolded. Right, so that's the comparison. Which one would you prefer? That one or that one? Let me know down in the comments. So back to the installation. Let's go ahead and take this off. It looks to fit just fine. Just peel up all the adhesive. Once you have that all peel off, make sure to spray this down with some alcohol before you press it down, else you're gonna be in a tough situation. In order to slide this down, you need a little alcohol in here. So just go ahead and get this 3M adhesive. Right, so I got all the 3M adhesive tape off, so it's ready to bond. So now what we're gonna do is spray this lightly with some alcohol. And go ahead and place this mirror caps on. And you literally will slide this on before the alcohol dries up. That's the key. Okay? So once it's on, go ahead and give it a press in to push out all the alcohol, and it will automatically evaporate over about 30 seconds to a minute. So keep pressing on it for about 30 seconds, then come back to it in about a minute and put some more pressure on it. So I'm just gonna constantly put pressure on it right now. Just double check the front side, make sure that it's actually on. All right. Make sure no trim is showing. Looks good. I like it. Just give that little aggressive look. Again, it shouldn't interfere with any of the aerodynamic. If anything, it increases the flow in and flow out to the back. So I'll post a link where you can find these. Again, Link in the description if you're interested in saving some money. There is a promo code as well. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you find this helpful in deciding your mirror cap purchase. Make sure you get real carbon fiber though. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe.